Hello guys, welcome to 5K program video for 18th of August 2020. Today is a very special day, you will see soon why. We're managing our 5K account, and before we do that, I need to show you this disclaimer which doesn't want to pop up here. Why don't you want to pop up disclaimer? Disclaimer basically saying that this video is for informational purposes only, education purposes. So I'm just teaching you here how to trade options, how to manage a smaller size account, what kind of positions you should be taking on those accounts according to my knowledge and my experience. For today I actually prepared a special program for you guys. So I wanted to, the topics were like, okay, losses, right? To talk about wins and losses, when to close winning trades. So that's usually a big question for the beginning traders or traders who are just seeing like, okay, I still have like time in this trade. If it's a cash flowing trade where you sold some options contracts, when do I exit it? Do I wait till the expiry date, or do I just close it a little bit earlier? And we will talk about acquiring a stock at a discount, because there is something around the gold mining shares which happened last week. It was Warren Buffett getting into this company, while long time ago he was just talking that gold is nothing else but a rock, was not interested in it at all, and now he seems to be getting in there with quite a bit of investments. I think it was like $500 million or something like 500 million. You see our account summary. So this is the web application for Thinkorswim. This is our delayed, paper account. So you see it's a simulated values here. This is our 5K account. You see that we had major losses last time because of electronic arts and all this gold being dumped, and we were invested a little bit too early, it seems, because now gold is performing really well. You see we have 4 positions. We have the Kraft Heinz, Newmont Mining, Philip Morris, and Visa. 3 of those are actually theta trades, so cash flow trades, sold option contracts on them. So KHC, NEM, and Visa are short put spreads, and PM is a butterfly. Let's see if we can visualize that, but before we go there, let's see how we're doing. So here is how we're doing. So position for today are making us around 1750 bucks just today. Since they were open, they're actually making us quite a bit, so 380 bucks, which is great. Most of that comes from the trade on NEM, and you will see that the graph, risk chart for this very soon. So as you can see, we are at the max win position here. Basically, it would have to drop somewhere below 32s to become, a losing trade. So not many chances of it getting there in the next 3 days until like market collapses, unless market collapses. But I don't think it's gonna happen. Now the Philip Morris, there we go. Look at the Philip Morris. We have our butterfly in here. We are in the zone which is already generating some profit. You look at the blue line, the dotted line, and you see it crosses with this green dotted line in here, and we're having some little profits on it right now. We want this stock price to go above the 80, basically somewhere here, yeah, 81, 60, and so on. Basically just jump into the area of this triangle, right? Why? Because when we're in this triangle, somewhere inside of it, then the blue line is gonna bring us upwards. It's when the time decays, it doesn't go down on this side. This is the theta switch point, so-called theta switch point. So after we pass this point in here, the time starts to work for us. So meaning every day we're going to be generating some cash for us. The time will bring us up towards the goal of being here around 300, whatever, 50 bucks. And I said, okay, let's have a look let's analyze. So what's the dividend yield? That's not very Warren Buffett like. 1%, nobody would be happy with that. That's really terrible. But have a look at this, annual dividend, like that's nothing. Yeah? If we own 100 shares of this, we're gonna get like 32 bucks. That's not pretty cool. However, when you see the payout ratio, that means this company still has so much room to increase the dividend size. They actually